So this is the park I normally hunt at. Today we've got the Equinox 900 with this 6-inch sniper coil, and we'll be using that today. We're going to do the pull tab challenge, 50 pull tab challenge today. A lot of guys have been doing that. I thought, hey, what the heck, I'll do it too. And then I'm going to talk to some of the other guys, and they've mentioned that they'll put it on their channel too, so that'd be kind of cool. All of us help build each other's channels up. A lot of us have a lot of things in common. I know you guys like to watch other channels besides mine, so that's cool. And here's the park that we're going to be shooting at today. And this is the Ice Cream Man territory, but he's not here today. So it is a little windy, a little cold. A lot of gray skies, as you can see. And I hope it doesn't rain. The radar says no rain. But we're going to hit this area right in here because this is where all the pull tabs are. I did find a diamond silver ring 925 over here, about 2-3 inches down by this tree. But what killed it here is there's so many pull tabs. They're like everywhere, and some saying maybe we'll find some gold. Maybe there's some gold in here with those pull tabs, and a lot of people don't dig here just because of that. So we'll check it out, kind of grid it out along with the table here, and I'll stop every 5 pull tabs that I dig out. I will stop and kind of give you a tally of what I have. I'll put them in a bag, and hopefully it won't take long to get to 50 pull tabs. And as you can see, that weather, our weather here in Southern California is not so sunny today, is it? Nasty looking clouds over there. All right, so I'll get this tuned up, ready to go, and we'll get hunting here shortly. And if you haven't already, give me a thumbs up for this video. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to get my channel up there. I've got 1,400 subscribers already. I appreciate you guys subscribing, and also especially the like button and a comment. Maybe let me know what you found when you've done this challenge. What's the best thing you found? Or did you find just all pull tabs and nothing else? I hope I don't do that today. Well, we'll find out, okay? We'll check back with you later. Wow. Let's see if I can... I'm finding that when you put stuff in this here, it's hard to dig out sometimes. Alright, so we only have 3 pull tabs and a dime and a pencil head, and it's starting to drizzle a little bit. No drizzling. I didn't bring an umbrella. Alright, and this pouch just decided to undo on me. I'm having a wardrobe malfunction here. Wardrobe malfunction. Oh god, I gotta fight the stupid ice cream man. Who's gonna buy ice cream when it's like 50 degrees outside? Come on, people. Alright, so we did have a dime. I had to dig it. Sorry, guys. But so far, 3 pull tabs and a pencil eraser and a dime. So far. Alright. What do we got, Ken? We have a crusty, rusty, double-sided carpet blade. Bottle cap. Corona. They're pretty decent. I think this was like a wad of foil. Did dig up some of these. Look at that, I got 5. Look at that, I got 5 of them right here. Look at that, and I got 6 actually. That's a bonus one. We'll save you for next time. But pretty much they look kind of the same, don't they? So I think we have like 8 so far, and maybe 9. I did dig up some of these that rang up pretty close to the same pencil erasers. So I'm getting those. This is next to a school. And a battery. I think that's what that is. I started to short it out to see if I could blow myself up, but it didn't happen. I think it's already been discharged. Alright, let's dig out the baggie. Let's see, okay. So, I'm gonna dig these. So that we have, how many of these do we have? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 pull tabs. Hey, I'm almost there. And a bunch of erasers, man. Smart kids come over here and do their homework. There's a 27. And that's on the surface right there. Feel anything? Not really. Probably the worst tool to use for this because if it's a pull tab, it's going to go right down the middle of it. There she goes. My wife left me. I can actually say she left me at the park. What? A nickel? I wasn't expecting a nickel, but I'll take it. Hey, that's something with this challenge. You will dig a lot of nickels. Alright, so far guys, excluding that there, we're trying to dig just the pull tab signals, and this is what we got so far. Uh-oh, there goes my bag. No bags flying around here. Okay, so this challenge is picking up quite a few nickels. We've got 3 nickels already. I did have to get a dime. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I am picking up some nickels because of the tabs all kind of reading in the 26, 27 range. So we still got a ways to go. We're about a third of the way there. I think I have enough targets to dig out here. Let's see what I got. What do we got here? Alright. We're digging it. We're going to stick right there. Okay. Where's my baggie? There's my baggie. Alright, so we have yet another nickel we dug up because of the challenge. And we passed a quarter. I had to dig it up, and it was a coin spill, I think. And so we'll throw that in there. Here's another tab. A lot of these actually sounded like tabs. These little bits of aluminum. And we did find some more coins, which is cool. So another coin there, another dime there. All right, so we're getting there. Put that in the other pocket. Right here. Then we'll do a tally after we're done here. That's it. Is there any more? Okay, we got that there. Alright, so how many more pull tabs do we got? We got 1, 2. Dug another nickel. Flint wheel was right up there. Some of this stuff I found in the hole with the target. Some little pieces of foil or metal, I should say aluminum, sounded like right up there in the range as well. Whoopsie. And these two. Did find another, that was a dime actually, and a penny, crusty penny. Alright, so I would say, I don't know, what does this sound like? Let's see. We're reading up at 33. That was a little higher range. This here, that was 26, up in right in that range. This piece of foil, definitely not that. Some of these targets were with other stuff. That was definitely metal. So some coins we found. Put those there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces more of the puzzle here. What do we got so far today? This is just from the same hunt today. Same hunt. Another nickel. So if your pull tabs will definitely sound out the nickels here. We got what, 6 nickels here. There's 6 nickels so far. And all these sound in the same range. 6. Where's the glove here? Some more of these tabs, and this, all of this sounded like it too. So tabs, there's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2,
6. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 33. So it did kind of sound like that, didn't it? So, okay, let's start putting it in the bag. So we got 10 here, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 pull tabs, 17, and this sounds like a pull tab, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, not so much that one, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 targets. It sounded like pull tabs. What is that right there? 89. What do you guys think that is? On the surface. Let's get the coin probe. Alright. We know what that is. If you guys have been watching my channel, you probably know what that is. Let's see if we can pop it up, whatever it might be. Is that it right there? Yeah, look at that. There it is. That is an older quarter. It's got the eagle on the back. Been down there a while. And it's like, looks like a, can't really tell the date real well. There's no sunshine, but you get the flashlight out. And that is a 1991. Oh well. 1991. Okay. Can't pass quarters up, but flashlight trick. Anybody this has a hard time reading, and my eyes are still okay. I wear glasses, so they're 20/20 with glasses on, but sometimes you need a little help. Okay. We're getting ready to call it quits here pretty quick. Any other coins around here? Oh, look at that. Sometimes you get more than one coin. So always check the area really good with if you find some coins or a good coin. Make sure you check the area really good. So right there, get your coin probe out again. This probably got lost the same time that other one did. And I mean, you can poke it right there. I felt it right there. So just go back a little bit and just kind of pull it up. And you'll see that you got yourself another quarter. Probably lost, I know this is a newer quarter. This is a state quarter. And 2021 it looks like. They don't emboss these as good as the older ones with the eagle. Cool. So we did the pull tab challenge today of 50 targets that read in the range. This is what we dug up: 10, 20, 30, 40 with 3 of these pencil erasers reading up to pretty much close to these. And we found 7 nickels, also reading up in the 26 for the Equinox 900. And all these other targets read up that too. So I kind of went over a little bit on the 50. And we had some bonus targets. We had 6 dimes. I had to dig them. And then 4 quarters, 2 of them right next to each other. And then some crusty pennies, maybe 7 of them. Some bottle caps, not too many. I dug up some just to see what they wore. Found this dangerous razor blade. I'm glad we got rid of that. That was it for today. So there's a challenge. No jewelry, but we did find quite a few coins, which was kind of cool. A lot of nickels. And if you're finding nickels, if there were rings out there, I would have found a ring for sure if I would have came across it. especially with the 6-inch coil. We were running 15 to 25 sensitivity, mostly in the 15 to 20, and sometimes in the 10 if there was a lot of trash driving me crazy, like around the picnic benches and such. We dug around 1, 2, 3, 4 picnic benches, and maybe 5, and some trees too. So there took a while to do this. The weather was terrible here because it was raining too. It was getting wet, the detector getting wet, and but everything worked out really well. So I'm gonna take the hat off. So thanks for watching today, guys. Don't forget to give the thumbs up. You'll see pop-ups for all my videos and such that you can watch, current one as well as one that maybe you haven't seen before. Make sure to give a like on all of them, even if you don't watch them all. Just give a like, because that really helps the channel. And I'm trying to get monetized. I'm more than halfway there, and I want to be able to start investing in buying some more equipment that I can do better videos, including the camera. This camera is a AKASO, that's a lower Chinese one, but I want to get a GoPro and some other stuff as well. So I think we did pretty good today on the challenge, and I'm going to share it with some other guys on the on YouTube. They're going to maybe put the link for it for some of their subscribers, and I'll do the same for them as well. We all got to help each other grow, right? All right. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do it, and you won't miss any great videos. You learned a lot of tips throughout the video, so make sure you watch it all. You'll learn a lot. I keep learning, and sometimes I forget little things, and if you want to remind me, hey, Ken, why don't you do it this way or that way, I'm okay with that. All right, see you next time, guys.